So the pan is in the freezer and it is going to take a bit of while, so I'm just going to show you what kind of settings you can put on your fridge to make it super quick. So I have put it this express freeze. As you can see, you can, if you do not have any option with express freeze, so you can totally just upgrade, like sort of just change the temperature like to 15. It's going to chill very fast. I'm just going to do it back. So I already did express freeze. And if you do not have any function like this, you'll have to leave it at least 1 hour in the fridge, or else you won't have a like really nice thing, like a really chilled iced tea. And iced tea should be really chilled, or if you're gonna just serve it normal temperature, it's not going to taste that well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you want more recipes from me or Aditya like this, please comment down below and show him some love. I am Ananya, and yep, this was the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon. Bye.